Rubber ducky, you're the one. You make bath time lots more fun. Rubber ducky, I'm awfully fond of you. Oh, hello everyone. I'm in the bath. I'm still looking at books. These are amazing, these little golden books. They were set up by Simon and Schuster in the 40s. One of the workers, George Duplex, his little girl dropped her book in the bath and ruined it. So he had this idea of making them a bit more sturdy with a golden spine, and they became really popular. This one, The Poky Little Puppy, illustrated by Tenguin, became one of the best-selling books of all time. Tenguin was a Disney artist and he worked on Pinocchio, very gothic in style, and he completely changed his style afterwards. This one is I Can Fly is by Mary Blair. She was a Disney designer for Peter Pan and Sleeping Beauty and Cinderella and The Small World in the Disneyland parks. That's down to her, designs anyway. Look at this, isn't that beautiful? Imagine making a mosaic based on that, inspired by that. What would that look like? Well, it would have to have a lot of fish in it, and some coral would be good. And what if it had lots of seaweed and starfish? That would really make it look good. And you could just keep on going. In fact, if you made 3, it could become a triptych, and you could put it all around the bath. That would look good, wouldn't it? And then you could get in the bath and read the book that inspired you in the first place. What do you think about that, ducky? He thinks it's a good idea too.